Hello everyone, welcome to this video. So now I'm going to show you how to fix this problem in Adobe Photoshop when you type in Arabic. So for example, right now, as you notice, these are the Arabic letters and they are separated, so this is incorrect. So to fix this, what you'll need to do is you'll need to click on Edit, then go to Preferences, then go to Type, click on it, and from here you should click on World Ready Layout. Alright, then click on OK and make sure that you close Photoshop and reopen it. Alright, so after restarting Photoshop, if you click the type tool and if you click anywhere and if you type in Arabic, this time it will be fixed, and I typed in Ahlan wa Sahlan, which means you are welcome. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all later.